Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We have seen today a follow through to the downside, the expected drop. However, again, it's never easy. We've seen another reaction to the upside. Again, nothing too bullish. We haven't taken out any resistances and the situation doesn't change as long as we stay below resistance, which remains at 1847. So to be honest, the situation hasn't really changed. The yellow count is still primary, that we're heading down in an ending diagonal. That we're heading down in a diagonal pattern of an A wave, B and C to come. So there's still a bit of a more, downside action expected. And expectations, as long as we stay below 1847, continue to be that Ethereum heads down lower. Now, the red count that I showed you yesterday, even though the wave 2 can't be here, it could still be here. So that count is still possible. I would, however, as explained, only entertain really the idea of this red wave count, which is a leading diagonal, which would be a breakout count, only if we break above resistance. And then it's not like, okay, it's definitely that. No, it would really only be something that I'm going to track, and I want to see further confirmation for that. As I said, Ethereum could have bottomed. It already reached our trend reversal area on the 12th of May. I always need to highlight that because, not that you get the impression we have to make another low. It has done enough in this correction. It reached a 50% retracement. It doesn't need another low. And therefore, we need to consider other options, of course, But as long as we stay below resistance, whatever it's doing here, one more low is favored. So the red count really will only get much more in the focus as soon as we break above 1847. One more count is possible because we haven't broken the Friday low at 1739. We would really need to break that and stay below it. So one more count is possible, which would look at this as a larger wave 4. So A wave to the upside instead of being a wave 4. This could be a B wave down, and we could get a C wave to the upside. But also this should ideally not, well, let's just measure resistance again. So if we get a wider wave 4, let me just double check that. I want to show you anything. No, it needs to be this. So, let me make sure I don't make any mistakes here. Measure the third wave. Yeah. Okay, so resistance would be 1862 for a wider wave 4. A, B, C. That's possible as well. So basically that circle wave 4 was never finished, but would sit somewhere here. It could still go a little higher. Unfortunately, so it's not easy at the moment. That count will only really become less likely if we make a sustained break below that 1739 level. So we need to be on our toes at the moment. There is no clear direction at the moment. It's corrective upside, corrective downside, corrective upside. Even this is only a 3-wave move down. Again, you see that. A, B, C wave down. So it's all super, super difficult. And but I keep you updated. I give my best here to update the count. This is just obviously the lower degree count. Nothing for weeks, nothing has changed in our larger degree scenario that we are in a wave 2, which could result in a third wave rally. So no change here, and if the lower degree price action is too messy for you, just focus on the larger, the larger time frame to stay out of the mess. Okay, and that's really it. I mean, I looked at it earlier today and thought, look, what happens? Can we not add a nice trend line here that gives us 3 touch points? And yes, we can, roughly here. So we have a possible trend line here. It could be meaningful when we come down lower. Don't find it very good, but it could give us a bit of a descending wedge here. I will take it off the chart though, but keep it in mind, because it could move up and down a bit and come down lower, 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 low. Maybe just about make one more low. We'll see. But yeah, nothing changes on the, with regards to the higher degree time frame scenario. It's just that the lower degree price action is one of the messiest I've seen in a long time. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.